Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a cool updo and a bun, and that's for this hot summer weather. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoy it, and go on down there and subscribe. Right now I've already combed my hair out, and I'm just taking out my braids and combing it out again. Now I'm going to use this Just For Me natural hair milk to put some moisture in my hair and to keep it detangled. I'm just going to spray a little water in it for some more moisture and smoothness. And as usual, I'm going to use my Maui Moisture Curl Quench coconut oil. Now this style could be done on any natural hair. All you need is some moisturizer, some water, and you need a hair weft. You could use a curly weft. You could use any type of weft you want. Okay, so now I'm just going to pull it up into my bun. I'm going to take this Eco Styling Gel, the one with argan oil, number 10, and I'm just putting it around my edges so that everything could be smooth and seamless. Now make sure you get enough gel around the edges, because you know how you could have those little flyaways, and you want everything to be perfectly smooth for this top bun. Now just take a regular brush and brush everything into place to the top of your head. Use a nice stretchy hairband and pull your hair into a ponytail. Now I'm just going to take it in two parts to make sure that it's really nice and tight. And then I'm going to brush again to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Now it's time to make your bun. So you take it in two parts and you twist it around and make a nice little tight bun, as you see me doing right here. Twist it all the way to the end so there'll be no hairs loose. And secure it with some small bobby pins. Now I'm just going to take this Ultra Synthetic Blend curly hair, and it's in the color F4 2730, and I'm just going to have it doubled, and I'm going to put a bobby pin directly in the middle where I folded it. And I stick that bobby pin right into the front of the bottom of the bun. Now I'm just going to start wrapping the weft around my bun, starting from the bottom. And as I wrap, I'm going to go upwards. And there I go, making those faces again. I thought I was practicing not doing that. One day. And then when you get to the end of wrapping the actual weft, you wrap grab a piece of the hair and wrap that around, and then pin that. Now you grab the rest of the hair and start wrapping it in the opposite direction. And as you wrap it, you start going up. Go upwards to the top of the bun. Now you pin it securely at the ends. Okay, now for this next portion, you're gonna just have to work with it, play with it. Pin down the little curly ends that are sticking out until you mold the bun in place just how you like it. If you are using curly hair, you're going to have quite a few bobby pins so that you can pin down some of the flyaway curls, as I said. Now you basically just take your hands and take your pins and mold it into the shape that you want it to be. But it'll stay secure. And this is how it looks. Now if you're a little on the mature side, sometimes you might have a little gray sticking out in the front, or if you even have thin hair sticking out in the front. There's a cover stick that I got from Sam's Beauty that'll just blend your grays away. I'm going to list the name of all the products that I use down in the description box, and I'll put the exact name of this black cover stick. I'm just going to fix my edges with my Eco Gel. You could use what gel you like best. A lot of people like the Got to Be Glued Ultra for that, which I do use a lot. But for this summer, I seem to be enjoying my Eco Gel. It doesn't get as hard as the Got to Be Glued. And here's my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.